like Gerber viewer.
Yes, yes, I have.
Yes, thank you.
I will share with you. Okay, don't worry. Okay, so first let us see for which design I am talking about the patch antenna. Okay, let us remove these files. We open the any patch file. I mean, okay, so suppose we have this one. Okay, we want to import. Sorry, export the Gerber file of this design. Okay, okay, so we have some options. Sometimes fabricator will ask or will demand different files. Okay, so you need to provide what he wants exactly. Okay, so first you need to, okay, this is your antenna. Okay, this is your front view and this is your back view. Okay, so you can first you can reduce the skin. Okay, because we don't need skin right now. Also the port. Okay, so you need to check where is your port. Your port is this at this position. Okay, and your shorting pins at these positions. Okay, so when you want to send your design to for fabrication, you need to do the following steps. Okay, you need to open the word file or excel file. You need to save your results. I mean, you need to explain your design first. Okay, like this is your shorting pin. Okay, pin, where is the pin, port? Yes. Okay, so this is the port. Wait a minute. Okay, so you take snap of this design. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, so take snap, save results. Okay, I mean this is the front view. To you need to explain your design to the fabricator. Okay, to tell him that the black color are the shortening pins and the this one just keep its color change. Okay, like red color to show him that this here is the port. Okay, so for the other thing also you can show him the back view. Okay, to first you need to explain your design. Okay, in word file, to tell him that you have this design. Okay, even if you send him the Gerber files, he cannot understand your design exactly properly. Okay, so better to send him word file or sorry PDF file separately. Okay, to explain your design. Okay, so now we want to create I mean prepare Gerber file. Okay, so for that you cannot export the Gerber file of the shorting pins and the port. Okay, so you need to remove the port, but if you remove it will not be visible. So it is better for you if you subtract the shorting pins and the port from the design. Okay, like you have this patch. Okay, you have a ground plane. Okay, so click on this both together and then click the minus button on the keyboard and then select the port and the pins. Okay, so press enter and you can see there is a hole. Now you can see here in this case okay, this is not properly subtracted here. Okay, so you can do undo, press Ctrl Z to subtract properly here. Okay, so this is the port. Let me check whether we can able to. Okay, or even you can take any size what you want. Okay, add both, press enter. Okay, also create more thicker. Okay, so this is your shorting pin now. Okay, you can cut from the patch and the ground. Okay, this is your patch, this is your ground. Select together, press minus button and then select the port, press enter. Okay, So now you can see the hole. Okay, this is the hole in your design. Okay, so now you can explain to your fabricator that this is your shorting pin, these wires for the shorting pin, and this one for the port. Okay, so the next thing is that we don't need a substrate. Okay, here. Okay, so we don't need substrate here, so we can even remove the substrate. Okay, but you need to align your WCS at the center of this substrate. Okay, okay, now go to the import and export. Okay, we need export. Okay, so we can go to the 2D files. Okay, then some fabricator ask for the DXF files. Okay, so you can click on it and press enter. Okay, so you can see the outline. Okay, this is the front view of the patch. Okay, so you press enter and then save in the desktop. Okay, like this is what is the name, implantable. Okay, patch. Okay, so this is the front. Oh, you can see this is the front. Okay, this is front. Okay, press enter and now go to the back side. Okay, and select the ground plane. Okay, and select export the Gerber file, the DXF file. Okay, and right here implantable back. Okay, I have an AWR software, that's why these you can even see the DXF file. Okay, let me check the front view.
We need to delete the substrate or we can hide.
Yes, let me I will explain, wait a minute. So this is your patch, you can see here in DXF file it is okay, no need to remove the substrate. Okay, but in the case of the Gerber file you need to remove. Okay, okay, so DXF file are easier than Gerber file. Okay, but for the okay, and one more thing is that if your design is what we say, like this one. Okay, so you see the suppose this is your patch. Okay, and your patch is at the center of the substrate. I mean, suppose it is at the center of the substrate. Okay, mean the your patch is not the same size of the substrate. In that case you need to create a boundary. Okay, to for the fabricator. Okay, so that he can easily understand the size of the antenna. Okay, like you see the length is 12 millimeter. Okay, so you need to create a boundary here, minus 12 by 2. You need to create a boundary of very less thickness. Okay, minus 0.05. Okay, so this is your boundary with copper or any material you want. Okay, okay, so you can see here this is your boundary. Okay, and also you need to paste this boundary, create a complete boundary. Okay, this one, copy this and paste here. Okay, and also create a boundary here, 11. Minus 0.05. Okay, also copy this one and paste down. Okay, okay, so you see you have a boundary now. So you need to select the this one. Okay, let me use the same size of the patch, 1035. Okay, so I add both field line and like this. Okay, for the patch for the field line I think thickness is more. Okay, now what you need to do, you need to export the you need to select the boundaries, add all boundaries. Okay, and select the DRA. Okay, now and the yes, okay. So just select this one, okay. You see I did not select the ground plane and the substrate, okay. So you can export the DXF file, okay, or Gerber file, okay. When you can see this is your bond with the boundary, okay. So in that case you can easily understand the size of the antenna, okay. Fabricator can easily understand, okay. So it is necessary to, whenever you send the design, you need to create the you need to ask to the fabricator first, okay, either he needs the design with the boundary or without boundary, okay. Now we export the Gerber file, okay. This is Gerber file. I click on it and press enter, and then go to the desktop and write here patch, okay. Okay, so I added this one, okay. So in most of the cases I delete substrate, okay, because it gives some errors, okay. I mean uh, okay, so let's see let's see this file in the Gerber view, okay. When you see the Gerber view, you cannot maybe you see some errors, okay. Yes, I will send you this file, okay, the Gerber view. So this is, yes, I will tell you, okay. Okay, we also export for the bottom view, okay. You see this is all, there is already a boundary, so we don't need to create a boundary here because the ground is full size of the patch, okay. Okay, press enter and ground, okay. Now go to the Gerber view. This is your Gerber view, okay. I will send you this file, you can install, or no need to install, just it is directly done, okay. So you need to go to the desktop, okay, and look for the file. This is the ground, and where is the patch? This one, patch, okay. Double click on it and you can see here a patch, okay. Okay, now you want to import the ground plane, okay. uh, okay, where is the ground? This is the ground, okay. So you can see here this is your patch and ground, okay. So okay, for the, if you want to paste this design, okay, like actually some people do different kind of fabrication, okay. Some people do fabrication with the machines. Do you know, I think the name of the machine, I forgot the machine name of the machine. I mean some people like to like in my university the machine is available for fabrication, okay. I think the name is LPFK, okay, the name of the machine. For the some people like to fabricate the design with the chemical etching method, okay, like local method, okay, chemical etching methods, okay. So if you are sending the antenna for to fabricate the machines, so you need to send him the DFXL or Gerber files, okay. But for the chemical etching method, you need to do something like this is your patch, okay. Because with the chemical etching method you cannot directly fabricate the design, okay. So chemical etching method is very simple. Most of the people like to fabricate at home, okay. Like suppose you have actually they make a photocopy or print of the antenna, okay, on a paper, special paper. The name of the paper, I think what was the name of the paper? It is a size of A4 size. Yes.
Do you have please video for this local method?
No, I don't have the video. Even I did not make the video, but I am just telling you. I will tell you the way. Okay, how can we do it? Okay, it is very simple. Okay.
What is the process?
Yes, I will tell you, okay. So you need to complete make the size black color, okay, and create change the background color white, okay, like this. Okay, so this is your ground plane, sorry, front view patch, and this is your ground, okay. So for the patch you need to take a snip tool of the boundary complete antenna, okay. Like this, okay. So I have taken this one and I want to paste here. Okay, even the fabricator will print this antenna and paste on the what we say, on the PCB, okay, like FR4 and other, okay. But he will do the same, I mean he will take the print as the same size as in this page, okay. So for that reason you need to keep the size of the antenna same as in CST, okay. So how can we take the same size? So let us do also with the ground and then we do it, okay. Okay, so this is the ground pin, okay. Now we take the size, okay. What is the size of the antenna? The size of the antenna is width is 11 millimeter and length is 12 millimeter, okay. So okay, in word file 12 millimeter 2 inches, okay. In word file you cannot understand the millimeter, so you can you need to use inches, okay. So length is 0.47, okay. Copy this one and go to the word file, and we need to right click on this one, go to the size and position, okay. And you can, this is the width and this is the height, okay. So we need to okay, use this height, okay. So this is the size, it automatically set the width, okay. So we only need to do even you can do you can set the width, or even you can set the length, okay. Okay, so this is the actual size of the antenna after fabrication. You can see, you need to you can export the PDF file, okay, and you can send him the PDF file, and then he will take print of this file, and then he will use chemical etching method to print this antenna on a PCB, okay.
They printed this antenna on the paper or what?
Yes, they take print with special paper. I forgot the name of the paper.
Kind of transparent paper, yes.
Yes, transparent paper, but there are special. There is a name. I forgot the name.
I know in Arabic it's name a calc paper. I know in Arabic, but in English I don't know. It's a name a calc paper, which is you know the architecture people they use it.
Yes, I will show you chemical etching method. Okay, this is the these all designs are with chemical etching method.
I do it once. It's very not good thing actually, and sometimes the quality of the antenna become not good.
Actually, it depends on the experience of the fabricator. Okay, for my case, I have a fabricator that has much experience, and you can see he has very good. I mean, he's a very good fabricator. You see, he fabricated with chemical etching method. You see.
Very nice this one.
Yes,
Nice.
he is expert in I mean he has much experience, okay. That's why he can fabricate any design with very you can see the his quality.
Yeah, it's quality is very nice here.
This is with chemical etching, even this one, this design.
I tried this. Machine will mostly become very perfect actually.
Yes, machines are perfect, but I mean he's a also do fabrication, but with chemical etching method, okay. He's a good fabricator.
I want to ask you about this kind of way. It can any substrate can stand with the chemical.
What?
Any substrate can stand with this chemical.
For the FR4 not. Actually this
Yes.
FR4 you see it is the same design, you see with the chemical etching material color is changed now, the of the copper.
Yeah.
Yes, this one, the same design as showed you, this one this is the same design. But if you keep this design for 1 day or 2 day, then is color change, okay. Like this is the same design.
Yeah.
You see, this is just after the fabrication, and this one is after like 2 hours and 3 hours.
Yes, it's happening. Yeah.
Not sorry, not 2 hours, I mean 1 day, after 1 day, okay.
Yes, it's happening always. Yeah.
What is the reason?
Results are okay.
That I think also.
I published this paper.
For that, after after he finished directly, I take a photo.
What? Yes, yes, yes. It is okay to take picture immediately. Yes.
But if you did by machine, I have one made it maybe 1 year ago by machine, it's still the same quality, same